everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys the chit chat video of the Walgreens ad for Sunday, September 23rd through Saturday, September 29th. I think it's actually going to be a pretty decent week. I feel like Walgreens lately, and a lot of you guys will agree with me, Walgreens has been pretty bad on couponing lately. I usually try to do second hauls, but lately I just don't need to. There's no need to because they're just, all the deals are just not the greatest. But I'm really hoping, you know, it's going to step it up so I can share with you guys on more deals. Now, they always have this thing called the deal of the week. So they have all laundry detergent for $2.99. We are getting $1 off coupons, making them just $1.99. So if you guys are interested in that. They have candy, 2 for $1, and that includes brand names like Mars, Dove, Skittles, and Starburst. Now, we also had, I don't know if it's still available, but we did have the 50 cents off of 2 coupons that were available on coupons.com for Snickered flavors. So you guys could end up getting those for 50 cents for 2 of them, so that's a pretty good deal. And then Butterfinger is on sale for $1.99. So if you guys are interested in getting candy for, you know, the trick-or-treaters, we got that. And I'm not sure if there's any coupons for those, but hey, $1.99 for a bag of candy can be a pretty decent deal. Kellogg's cereal is $1.99, so there are some coupons on the Kellogg's Family Rewards website that you guys can check out, so definitely do that. Not much going on in the whole food section. I tried showing you guys some deals, but they got Ziploc baggies, the Nice brand, which is the Walgreens brand, for 99 cents. They have the paper plates and the napkins, 2 for $4. The napkins are actually pretty good. I actually recommend those napkins if you just want something plain and simple. Yeah, not much else going on in the whole food section. They got some candy, 2 for $6. We're getting $1 off a 2 coupon, and then there's $1 off a 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making them just $2 a piece. So if you guys are interested in something like that. Otherwise, a lot of candy. You're going to see candy on sale like crazy. Now, we do have those Febreze buy one, get one free coupons, but I think those expire this Saturday, so I'm not sure if those would work. But if they are still valid till the 29th, those are 2 for $6. We do have that buy one, get one free coupon, so you guys would end up getting 2 of them for $3. Here on the bottom, they have Scott's paper towels and Scott's tissue or bath paper, I can't even speak, toilet paper. Now, we did have those 75% off coupons that were on coupons.com. You guys can buy 2 of them since they're buy one, get one 50% off. You guys use 2 of those coupons. You can end up both of them for $6. That comes out to be $3 a pack, which I think is a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in something like that. A lot of makeup stuff is going on sale. All the makeup is buy one, looks like buy one, get one 50% off. Here they got Nexus, where it says you get 10,000 points when you guys spend $20. Now, we are getting $5 off coupons, so there might be some easy deals with the Nexus, you guys. I'm pretty excited. That's like one of my favorite shampoos right now, so just gonna give you guys a heads up with that. They got a Dove and Degree for $4.99, and then if you guys spend $12, you guys will get $3. Now, there are some random coupons on coupons.com to print. Otherwise, not much else going on in this whole section. They got the Crest toothpaste and mouthwash. It looks, no, actually it's just toothbrushes and toothpaste. Now, there might be some digital coupons out there, but we did get some $1 off coupons. You guys would end up paying you guys would pay like $11.96, I think, for it. And then if you guys buy 4, you get a $6 register reward, making them $5.96 or $1.49. So that is a deal I will not do unless you can find something cheaper. So giving you guys a heads up on that. Schick, 2 for $14. Now we have a 7 off a 2 digital coupon. And then it looks like you get 2,000 points when you buy 2, making them for $2.50 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but if you guys really need razors. Otherwise, not much going on. They got their body wash for $3. That stuff's $3 all the time, so you don't have to worry about getting that right away. But I haven't tried it. I don't know how well it works. A lot of vitamins, buy one, get one 50% off. Some of the stuff's buy one, get one free. And now, nope, never mind. I thought this was the last page, but it's not. Now they got some Harry Potter stuff, so if you guys are interested in getting some Harry Potter stuff for somebody for Christmas. Halloween stuff is if you spend $25 or more on The Nightmare Before Christmas and other giftables, you get 5,000 points. So that's up to you guys if you want to do that stuff. I kind of just wait and buy stuff at the end of the year. Now here's a great deal right here. If you guys buy 2 gift cards, you guys will end up getting a Walgreens $10 gift card. So you guys could buy a Kohl's gift card or a Children's Place, buy 2, spend 50 bucks, then you guys get a $10 off Walgreens. That comes out to be literally like 40 bucks for that stuff. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome. And now we're on the last page of the Walgreens ad. Sorry, my tripod's going to fall off my table. But they got the Extra and the Sun laundry detergent for $2.99. Now, I don't think there's any coupons out there for you guys. They got different Kellogg's cereal, 2 for $5. They got a mix of candy, 2 for $10, but otherwise nothing's really sticking out for me. But I just wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully there's a lot better deals coming up in the near future, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.